Okay friends, to get started on our cabin air filter, first we need to locate and access it. Come to your glove box and go ahead and remove anything that's inside of it. After that, you're going to find this little flippy-do right here. Go ahead and push on that and unlatch it. The next thing we're going to want to do is grab onto both sides of this, squeeze in, and then let this come down. Cabin air filter is going to be located right under here. This upper cover right along here, you can tell it says airflow facing down, so we're going to want to pay special attention to that because it's also going to say it on the cabin air filter. Along both sides of the cover, you're going to find there's a couple little hooks. Go ahead and grab onto those, give them a squeeze, and then remove this cover. As we draw this out, it's going to be bringing out the cabin air filter and, of course, any debris that might be located on top of it. Let's go ahead and carefully remove that now. If we pay attention, you can see that it has the arrows saying that the airflow is facing down, which is the way that it should be. Grabbing onto our new cabin air filter, we're going to make sure that it says the same exact thing. Airflow facing down. Go ahead and line that up and then slide it into its housing. Now we're just going to line it up with its hole, slide it straight in, and listen for the click. Give it a nice tug just to make sure that it's 100% secured. Now we're going to grab onto our glove box, lift it up, we can squeeze in the tabs. Now we're going to come right back to this, lift up on the glove box, line it up with its little tab that it needs to go onto, and then squeeze it. Put back in any of your miscellaneous stuff you might happen to have, and then down the road you go.